Welcome back, YouTubers. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a customizable channel art for your YouTube channel using a free piece of software. So I'm back here in my channel page that I've created, and you see I've got my profile picture, but don't really have any art up the top here that's making my page stick out in terms of branding. So what I want to do is show you a free piece of software online called Canva.com. All right, I use Canva for everything. You do not need a pro account. I have a pro account because there's some amazing and extra features and it gives you access to more stock photos, but you can do a lot with the free account. I used the free account for years before I upgraded to pro. So let me show you how to make a YouTube channel art. So you see Canva has this search function. So I want you to type in YouTube channel art, okay? And look at that. It's going to be coming. And they have different categories too. You could type in music, beauty, makeup. Let's do one related to travel. I'm just going to pick travel art. And what you're going to see down here is it's going to show you all the templates for travel that they have if you wanted to go that route. So you could either pick one of the ones here, or you can click create a blank travel YouTube channel art from scratch. We're going to do that just in case you don't have a travel channel. Hey guys, hope you're enjoying this content. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This way you'll know when I release more videos just like this one. And when you do this, it'll open up the editing function. So you see we've got a blank canvas here. So over here we have channel art templates. We could do travel, or you could just do YouTube channel art and it will give you even more options. Music, makeup, lots of different things. So I'm just going to pick one of these. Which one looks cool here? I like this one with the car. Let's try that. And this is a free one. You can see free is here. A lot of these are free. Some of them will say pro, and that's if you upgrade to pro, but look at these. These are all free. So it just goes to show you how many different options you can have. Now, all of this stuff is fully customizable. You could change this background photo if you wanted to. So say you really like this little block here and this text, you can change the text, you can change everything. You can even put filters. So say you like that background, but you wanted it to be more black and white, you could change it to a black and white. You can make it more colorful if you wanted to. So there's lots of cool little filters in here. A lot of these filters are free. Now, say you didn't want this in the background, you could grab a different photo. So see, this one says pro, so you guys wouldn't be able to use that, but you could search for free images as well. But I'm just going to pick an image. You could upload your own image. So if you have uploaded images, say I wanted to put a picture of me on the background here, I could do that. And you can see I can just spread it out, and I could actually, let me get rid of that background photo first. I would click on the photo, delete the background photo, and here we go. Now there's a picture of me with a guitar. If you wanted to do that, you could do that. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to hit Control Z on my laptop just to get back to where I was. And here we go. So I kind of like this car. I want to work with it. Now maybe I don't want this little swirl in the back to be black. So I could change it to a blue if I wanted to. Maybe I want it to be yellow. Whatever you want. So let's leave it as yellow just so I can show you that. And maybe now I don't like that the text is white, so maybe I want the text to be a different color. Now you can choose from their default colors, or you could click up here and you can use any palette anywhere to decide what color you're going to choose. So I'm just going to do black on black for this one. Now I like letting people know, hey, I have, new videos every week. So new video new video weekly. You might want to put that, especially if you're doing a new video weekly. Some people like to put the specific day. I usually just put new video weekly, and you can change the font. Say you don't like that font. There are a bunch of different fonts over here that you can choose from. So if you want something a little bit more in like a script font, you could do that. You can change the sizing if you want to. So I'm just going to go back to the original one that they had because I did like that. I kind of like a lot of the texts they use in their templates. This was a very simple one to just go in and edit, but everything is fully customizable. Maybe you want to put a little element on here. They have these cool little elements. See if we can find a car. Let's throw another car in here. This one's free. So let's throw this free little car down here if you want to. I just want to show you different things you can do. Here's another little car driving around. Maybe I don't like the color of the car. Maybe I want the car to be a different color. So we could change the color of the car if we want to. Maybe I want it to be a yellow car. you can do whatever you want. The reason I like using these templates is because there's certain things that will show up on desktop versus phone versus a tablet. So they usually optimize these things for that. So I'm going to keep the car here so that you can see, but I'm going to download this. So you click on download up here, and then obviously download. Okay, now it's saying you have saved your design. So I'm going to come back over to my channel here, and we're going to click on customize channel. We're going to go back to branding. This is where we uploaded our profile photo. So before that, you see banner image. So we're going to click upload, and I'm going to go to my downloads, and you will see here is that image art that we just made. So I'm going to click on that. And there you go. So this is viewable on a TV. So you can see that car, even though I added it, it's not going to be viewable on TV. This is the section that's viewable on desktop. This is viewable on all devices like a phone or a tablet. But if people are watching on a TV, they will see everything. They will see this car. But if they're viewing on, say, a phone, they will only see this section. And that's why I like to use the templates, because they format it mostly for what can be seen in these smaller devices. So you can adjust this. I don't usually adjust anything. You can make it smaller, larger, but it's already adjusted for you. That's why I like using the Canva template. So let's click done. And there you go. You can see it has been uploaded with all the different variations. And don't forget, come up here, click publish. And now we're going to go to view our channel here. And you can see when it loads up, we now have this cool little channel art up here that looks really great, really professional. And like I said, you can change all the colors, the text, pictures, whatever you need to make your channel art look great. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to add the subscribe watermark to the bottom of your video. This is a great way to help you improve subscribership to your channel. So if you're interested in learning about that, you can click on the video over here and go watch that video.